how to disable Instagram photos and videos appearing in Google. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily disable your Instagram photos and videos appearing in Google. So the first thing you can do is simply head over to Instagram application and make sure you are signed in, logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just click on bottom right corner, your profile section, and just click on the top right corner hamburger icon. As you can see, just click on it and scroll all the way down until you see the account privacy option. So simply click on it, and from over here you can see the second option, that is allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. So what it basically does is it allows your photos and videos to be available outside of the Instagram, that is on the platform like Google. So simply disable it, and just like that, people will no longer be available to search in your public photos and videos. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.